Grow Appalachia is a strategic initiative program of Breathitt College. We partner with organizations, communities, and families in Appalachia to create a healthy, resilient, and economically viable food system. Grow Appalachia's farmer development team supports growers and producers at all scales. We offer educational programming, on-farm technical assistance and service, an online resource library, and a YouTube channel with a wide variety of instructional videos. From the backyard to the field, we work with and meet farmers where they are in their farming career. Our Beginning Farmer series provides participants an opportunity to develop goals and skills needed to begin their small farm dream. The program is designed to serve farmers with less than 10 years of experience. Eligible participants will be from Eastern Kentucky, Lexington, and Louisville. The series consists of 10 in-person classes, on-farm field days, internship opportunities, and scholarships to attend regional sustainable agriculture conferences. The mentorship program provides stipends to selected mentees to work on farms in the region.
Grow Appalachia is able to offer small farm advising through the Eastern Kentucky Direct Integrated Grower Support Program. The program is available for small farmers in Appalachian Proud counties in Kentucky, as well as counties surrounding Lexington and Louisville. Farms must be currently selling or plan to sell within the next year. The program includes on-farm consultation and advising, farm planning assistance, connection to funding and technical support, ongoing support via phone call and email, funding for improving farm practices, and on-farm installation support for improved practices.
Grow Appalachia's social enterprise is a revenue-generating program focused on providing growing supplies and high tunnel systems to farmers and growers at any scale in our region. We offer a variety of growing supplies available for pickup in Berea, including our own organic chicken litter fertilizer. We offer consultation, manufacturing, installation, and delivery services for our modular movable high tunnel and Gothic high tunnel designs, along with accompanying water catchment and drip irrigation systems. Both designs meet NRCS specifications and can be purchased with NRCS EQIP funding.
Our farmer development programs are made possible by generous grants from these funders, as well as by sales generated through our social enterprise program. We also want to recognize the many organizations and agencies who partner with us to form an exceptional network of support for farmers and the food system here in Kentucky. Together, we hope to build a resilient farming future for the state.